I am about to destroy everything you think you know about color analysis. Bonjour French ladies. If you've paid for a color analysis session and left feeling confused or got different results from different sessions or from different analysts, you are not alone. Stay with me to the end, where we'll be revealing the only color test you will ever need. It's so simple that even color analysts use it to double-check their work. The color analysis industry is a money-making machine. Before you bite my head off, I have studied color analysis during my training as a personal stylist, and I was stunned by its complexity. Seasonal palettes, undertones, chromatic intensity, value levels, flecks in your eyes that you have to use a magnifying glass to see. It's as if you need a PhD to choose a scarf. But here's the first ugly truth. These systems are designed to keep you coming back for more. More analysis, more swatches, more purchases. Have you had color analysis? Let us know in the comments. So why all the complexity? Well, you wouldn't pay money for something too simple, would you? It makes the color analyst more knowledgeable, more important, and it keeps you tied to them. At the end, I will be showing you a very simple test that costs absolutely nothing, gives you the power. You can even show it to others yourself and spread the word about authentic French chic. And it's easily done, anywhere, anytime. And you don't have to carry swatch after swatch after swatch after swatch with you when you go shopping. But now, the results of a poll I did in my community. I asked you, have you ever had color analysis done and what you thought about it? There were over 1,500 responses in 24 hours. 33% of you said yes, and you love it. 8% of you said you had some color analysis done, and you had different results on different occasions. 25% of you said you hadn't, but were thinking about it. And 33% of you said no, and it was an expensive guessing game. I've had many comments from women who said they had some color analysis, and it changed the way they shop. And it changed their lives, and they are very happy about it. But I've had just as many or more comments from women who've had color analysis done, and it was the worst experience they've ever had and the worst waste of money they ever made. One lady, let's call her Susan, reached out to me and said she had color analysis 3 times by 3 different color analysts and got 3 different results. How scientific is that? And another viewer said she had her colors done and she was a specific season with specific undertones, but the shade she was told she should wear made her look tired, older, and washed out. She was not happy with the results. Just think about it. If you have your color analysis done during this specific time, specific day, it doesn't take into account that we age. Our complexion changes over time. What about if we have a fake tan or if we have a summer tan? Suddenly we're no longer winter, but we're summer? What happened then with the shades we're told we should wear? What about various color changes? You can no longer have a different color done at the hairdressers because those shades we're told suited you no longer will. What do you think about what I've said so far? Let's continue the conversation in the comments. And talking about the colors and shades that suit us, who wants to carry around these shades that we're told we should wear when we go shopping for clothes? And there are so many shades out there that you are unlikely to find the exact shades when you go shopping. And let's not forget that shades are trending. Different years, different shades. So you were told to wear these, apart from silver, which is a metallic, or here with gold, another metallic, or black or white, anything in between. will change and you will not likely find something that actually is supposed to suit you. Now picture this. You are in a dark changing room trying to match with your color swatches. This blue is being told you should wear with the blue of the shirt or the jacket that you found in the shop. Highly impossible and highly frustrating. Is it the right blue? Too cold? Too warm? The fabric looks different in every light. You may try your best, but you are still unsure. And don't even get me started about shopping online, because whatever you see on a picture is really what you receive. Okay, now for the brutal truth. The complexity, as I mentioned earlier, is no coincidence. It's a business. Seasonal updates, wardrobe consultations, shopping services. It's all designed to make you feel like you cannot trust your own eye. But your eyes are exactly what you need to trust. Don't hold back, let me know what you think. My method is so simple and effective. It is taught to us in France by our own mothers from an early age. Very simple to teach, very simple to understand and apply. And it works. Every woman, every complexion, every color, every fabric, everywhere, every light, every time. And now here is my very simple French chic color test. You take the piece of fabric or the item of clothing that you want to wear. You go towards the natural light and you put it close to your face. Now you look at your face in a mirror. Do I look washed out? Do I look tired or in need of a holiday? Have I got pockets under my eyes? If you answered yes to this question, this shade is not for you. On the other hand, ask yourself those questions. If this shade makes you look glowing, healthy, and as if you came back from a holiday, then this shade is for you. And that is it. Incidentally, this color is not supposed to suit me because it's not my season. I'm supposed to be a winter, and this one is a spring. But I would happily wear this. What do you think? Now apply this test to your own wardrobe, and then you will understand why certain shades did not work the way you thought they would. If you enjoyed learning the brutal truth about color analysis, you will love finding out about the 10 brutal truths about style on screen now.